After you retire, you may start to think about how you will make your money last as long as possible so that you don't outlive your savings and have to rely on Social Security benefits in your old age. A traditional annuity, also called an immediate annuity, can help ensure that you have enough income to pay for the expenses of your golden years without having to drain all of your savings or take on unnecessary risk with stock market investments. What is an annuity? An annuity is a financial product that provides retirement income. Annuities are generally available in two forms, fixed or variable. A fixed annuity guarantees a certain payment throughout the life of the contract. On the other hand, a variable annuity offers some potential for growth, but with the risk that it could lose value as well. The most common type of annuity is an immediate annuity, which begins making payments right away. How do traditional annuities work? Traditional annuities work by providing a certain amount of guaranteed income each month for a set period of time. They come in two different varieties, fixed annuities and variable annuities. Fixed annuities will provide a set monthly income no matter what happens with the markets or your investments, while variable annuities offer the chance to benefit from market growth but may also lose money if the markets do poorly. The best way to know if an annuity is right for you is to talk with a financial professional who can tell you more about all your options, explain how they work, and help you decide which one is right for you. During the time period you choose to invest your principal, you will receive periodic payments from the insurance company. The size of these periodic payments is determined by how much money you deposit at the outset, your age at the time of purchase, and what kind of annuity plan you choose, fixed or variable. In many cases, these payments are guaranteed for a certain amount of time, regardless of what happens to market conditions during that time. Please subscribe to Financial Literacy for more light on finances.